Fabuloso is a cleaner, not a disinfectant. A cleaner is a liquid chemical that you spray on a surface to clean it, to dust a surface with the cleaner, to mop the floor, to clean a counter. You're cleaning with a liquid. It removes the stain, it removes dust, it removes debris off of a surface. It's cleaning it. A disinfectant is a chemical that you spray on a surface. For example, a toilet bowl handle. You would spray it with a disinfectant and you let it sit for the recommended dwell time, which can be anywhere between 30 seconds to 5 minutes. Whatever the dwell time is for that liquid, you let it sit on that surface so it can kill a germ, virus, or bacteria that it's intended to kill. You want to clean first the surface and then you want to disinfect it. Or if you're not looking at disinfecting, if you're just looking to dust a bookshelf, you just use a cleaner to dust a bookshelf. But if you need to disinfect a faucet handle or a toilet, then you clean it first to remove any dirt, debris, or liquids, and then you use a disinfectant on it to disinfect, to kill any germs, viruses, or bacteria on it. Fabuloso is a cleaner, not a disinfectant. If it was a disinfectant, it would say disinfectant on the bottle. It doesn't say it, it's not a disinfectant. Disinfectants also have recommended dwell times written on the bottle. Cleaners don't because, again, they're cleaning, they're not disinfecting.